Dude, shit's gonna be off the chain. I got that, and I got a song called Punch Out. It's like straight throwback to Mike Tyson's Punch Out from Nintendo. And like the chorus of it's like, keep on running your mouth, and I'ma come above this couch, and I'ma knock your ass out like Mike Tyson's Punch Out. Ridiculous, man. No pun intended. You should be. You should be very scared to walk by. Walk past him and look. Hey, don't do that, dog. I'm just fucking trying your ass, bro. It'll happen. I ain't that guy. It ain't a problem.